In this video, the auditor is focusing on the process of dealing with unplanned shutdowns. Watch this video to determine if the auditor uses effective auditing techniques.
So Niall, I can see from the production records that this machine went down yesterday. Can you tell me what happened?
Yes, so we had a problem with the hydraulic connector on the machine, so it went down. We lost probably about an hour and a half, but we got it up and running again, and as you can see, it's all back up and running now.
Okay, and I can see from my record here that the first stop is dated yesterday.
Yeah. So we normally do a first off at the start of the shift. Obviously, we incurred the breakdown. We wouldn't normally do another first off. We would just rely on the one that we did at the beginning of the shift.
Okay, so did we do anything to verify the machine or product following the breakdown?
No. Obviously, we could see the machine was working and doing what it should be doing. So on that basis, we carried on. Obviously, we'll check parts as per our normal control plan.
Okay, thank you, Niall.
This video relates to the IATF requirement 8.5.1.4 verification after shutdown, which states the organisation shall define and implement the necessary actions to ensure product compliance with requirements after a planned or unplanned shutdown period. In this video, the auditor stated there had been a machine breakdown the previous day, and then the process had been restarted without repeating the first off. Linking the situation to IATF 16949 8.5.1.3 verification of job setup, this does not mandate first off, but does state verify job setup whenever performed. While also requirement 8.5.1.4 again does not mandate the repeat of the first off, but it does state the organisation must implement all actions to ensure product compliance. The auditee did not make it clear in the answers how this was being done, just saying we check the parts as per the normal checks in the control plan. Based upon this information, this could give a basis for a non-conformity. However, before finalising, it would be good practice for the auditor to check other machines and also review the organisation's defined controls in their quality management system related to unplanned shutdowns. For example, their own system may require that first off is repeated if there are any unplanned stoppages. An audit trail could also be followed to maintenance to see what maintenance objectives were defined and how any downtime data is collected, analysed and used to drive continual improvement. Let's summarise the key learning points. IATF 16949 8.5.1.4 requires an organisation to have a process to ensure product compliance in the event of either planned or unplanned shutdowns. This does not say that any first off process has to be repeated, but the organisation should define the way product compliance is ensured in their own quality management system processes. To help with the categorisation of any non-conformity, further machines should be checked to see if this is a single incident or if it's a lack of an effective process to ensure product compliance after any planned or unplanned shutdown. Finally, IATF requirement 8.5.1.4 requires an organisation defines maintenance objectives. So in any audit trail, We could follow to see whether the downtime data is being effectively collected, analysed and used to drive continual improvement.